back. New clothing and sneaker haul for you guys. I've been picking up things steadily over the past month and a half or so. I think that was the last time I did one of these haul style videos, but I've got some good stuff here. I've got sneakers from Adidas, clothing from Supreme, Carhartt, little something something from Stussy. Definitely some fire pickups in this video, so let's not waste any time and jump right into it. I'm gonna share some Adidas pickups throughout this video, but I'm starting off with these joints right here because I think this is definitely one of the best new Adidas sneakers to drop recently. I was wearing these on the 4th of July. You already know the deal. We've got the young ones. I totally dig the retro chunky style of this sneaker, but one of the best parts is actually the materials. It feels like a pigskin suede. I don't think it is, but it is a super soft suede that you've got on this shoe in navy and in red. Not to mention the whole design and aesthetic of this sneaker is very cool. If you don't have a pair of these and you've been on the fence, definitely go ahead and grab them. I'm hoping to grab the orange pair as well, but these will certainly do. Big shout out to Adidas for sending them over. Next up, got a little something something from Carhartt. So this color is heathered golden yellow. It's one of their newest colors and I had to try it out. I saw that they added it. There's like 20 different colors on this t-shirt. This one's cool because it's a unique color and it also has a little bit of a fall vibe going on. So I'll wear it towards the end of the summer and early fall. Needed this color. Up next is the pine green and the red. I need that red. It's just straight popping and I can grab it at any time. That's what I love about these t-shirts, is that they're readily available and that there's so many different colors. So red is up next, $16.99. I'll link them for you guys if you want to grab one down below. All right, next up we got a pair of affordable shorts that have that Gucci vibe. Red, green, and white. 25 bucks for these shorts is an absolute deal. I'll be sure to link you down in the description. They fit true to size. They're that basketball style short with the red and white stripe going down the side. I was wearing these in my how to style Air Max video that just dropped yesterday. If you missed that one, leave this video. Go check that one out. A lot of people have been asking me when my summer lookbook was gonna drop. This Air Max video took a lot of time, so that is essentially gonna be my summer lookbook, but I'll drop the fall soon, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. But definitely go check out that Air Max lookbook, how to style Air Max sneakers. There's 7 different outfits in that one and it took me a long time, so I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Back to Adidas sneakers, we've got another pair. These are the Sobakov sneakers that just dropped recently that have straight up soccer inspiration. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on these because I still have another pair to show you guys, but I featured them on my Instagram. These are fire. I don't think they're as dope as the young ones are, but they are right up there with that model. Adidas Originals is doing their thing and consistently dropping new models and retro models that are dope. So the young one is straight fire and this Sobakov sneaker is just as cool. If you like soccer and you like that type of inspiration in your sneakers, then look no further. These are the white and gum joints, super clean, very comfortable. There's not boost in this sneaker. They run true to size. Check out my Instagram for more pictures on this shoe, but can I just say that gum bottoms with a white upper, it's just undeniable. That is an undefeated combination, and on this shoe it looks great. There's also a black and white colorway that you guys can check out. All right, keeping it moving with some Stussy pickups. I got 3 things that I'm about to show you guys, all of which I got on sale. I posted these deals on Twitter, so if you're not following me on Twitter, you got to do that because anytime I find something like this and I buy it, I also tweet it out for you guys. So I got this shirt for like $15 or something like that. I definitely need more striped tees and a lot of you guys have been asking for me to show some. Here you go, Stussy with this golden yellow and navy blue joint that I really like. The quality on their tees is on point as well. Some of them are expensive. You're like, ah, damn, 40 bucks, 30 bucks, whatever it is. It's worth it, trust me. I've got like 5 or 6 Stussy tees that I'm constantly rotating and the quality is very nice. So going from a striped tee to a very loud streetwear tee, check this thing out. We've got a long sleeve pigment dyed graphic t-shirt also from Stussy. So there's a lot going on with this one, and honestly, this back image is what sold me. There's also floral print going down the sleeve of this t-shirt, and then you get to the front, which I honestly didn't see when I initially bought it. I took it out of the package and I was like, damn, that's a booty right there, because there is a straight up booty in a thong just chilling, riding on back of a motorcycle right there. And I'm not mad at it. It actually made it better, but I was just a little bit surprised. I also got to say the Stussy pigment dyed t-shirts are some of the best. I like how it has this vintage washed look, and that carries over onto the graphics. Like, the graphics are somewhat muted and washed. I really like that. So I'm interested to see how often I wear this with that booty chilling on the front. But this is definitely a dope shirt, and it's actually on sale and you can still get it. I'll link it down below. Next up, Pure Fire Stussy Velour track jacket. 3 different colors on here: forest green, navy, and then this maroon. I saw this and I was like, damn, how have I not seen that? And the fact that it was on sale instantly happened. Added to cart, checked out with those other 2 items, and I'm so happy that I pulled the trigger on this thing. As soon as it cools down a little bit, I'm gonna be rocking this combination right here. It's just perfect. Vans and Stussy go together so well. And I tweeted a deal for these. They were only 40 bucks, originally 75. So follow me on Twitter, man. I definitely post some deals when I buy stuff, but this right here is certainly my favorite pickup out of all of the Stussy items. I love Stussy Velour. I love track jackets. I love this color combination, and I can't wait to wear it. All right, next up, got a quick unboxing. I bought these on release day, but have not checked them out yet, so I'm gonna do that right now. Just tearing into this one. You guys can recognize this box. Big old 500 chilling on the front. Everyone said this sneaker is a brick, and I laughed. I absolutely laughed because it just made it easier for me to get them. So we've got the utility black Adidas Yeezy 500. You guys have seen these, so I'm not really gonna talk about them much, but I just wanna say why I got them. For one, the color, it looks more like a graphite gray in person. Like, it is a graphite gray. This is definitely not black. I really like this 500 model. I think it's unique, and I've spoke about this enough, so I don't really need to say anything, but I definitely wanted these joints, got them with ease. Buy what you like, guys. It doesn't matter what anyone says. Who cares if they say it's a brick? Who cares if someone else says they aren't cool? Forget all that. Make your own decisions. Do you like this shoe? Do you have the money to spend on it? Do you want to add it to your sneaker collection? Do you think it's fresh? And if the answer is yes to all those and you want to get them, man. Stunt on people. Rock these things right. Forget what anyone says. Bricks are like a reseller term. Like, they're just pissed they can't make any money off you. So forget what anyone is saying. Like, if there's a reseller telling you if sneakers are cool or not, forget that. Let me know if you guys went ahead and grabbed a pair of these as well, because I think they're dope. All right, and then I saved the best pickup for last. We've got this Supreme quarter zip pullover. Now, I wanted this because of the color. I've missed a bunch of other Supreme items that are in this mango color, but I was not missing this joint. As soon as it dropped, I was locked in and loaded, and I got it. Very excited about it. So it's a soft cotton fleece, so it's pretty much a sweatshirt, and then it has this white piping running across the whole shirt, black and white, and it says Supreme. I'm really into subtle Supreme stuff where the logo is really small, just like it is here. I think it's like a subtle flex, and this color obviously is loud, but I didn't care. It's unique, and it's definitely something that I wanted. The quarter zip is also very cool. It fits me great, by the way, and I went with my true size. So as soon as it cools down this summer, I'll be rocking this for sure, because it's certainly a summertime color. But there you go. Those are all of my new pickups. Let me know which item you guys liked best. Let me know what you think about those Adidas sneakers, and did you cop these Yeezys? Definitely hit the thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and go watch that Air Max lookbook. One of my best videos. I'll link it up here or down there or something like that, but go check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will talk to you later. Peace.